Clarifying on the matter of the inefficiency of the vaccine portal, where people were unable to book for their vaccinations, the Deputy Chief Minister said.
The problem was those people who complained, they did not check properly their slot, because through that slot, it is intimated to them that you have to come on that day. But it seems that obviously, out of sight or what, they're supposed to go tomorrow, they went today. So that kind of things are there. But I'm sure right now the report that we receive is smooth. 92-93% is we have already crossed for the vaccination of 18 to 44. Now we have shortage. The shortage is, as I said to you, it's not a new thing that it happens only in Meghalaya. It happens throughout the nation. So right now, government of India, they're still working out. They are still having discussion with the manufacturing company, and this is beyond our control. We can't help it.
So when do you expect this vaccine to come?
I can't say anything right now, but we have already sent official requests both for 45 and above as well as for the 18 to 44.
How much you are asking?